Are you struggling with stockouts or overstocking? Managing inventory can be tricky, but with this automated sales-based inventory planner, you can always stay on top of your stock levels. This tool tracks your available inventory, average weekly sales, lead time, and order cycle to help you make the right purchasing decisions. This tool needs two data from you. First is your sales report and second is your current inventory level reports. If they are accurate, then this tool will do wonders for you. This inventory planner decides reorder quantity after taking multiple factors into consideration. Like your current inventory levels, the past average sales, the stock coverage you want to achieve, your inventory lead time, your order cycle duration. Order cycle is how frequently you place the order. It is weekly, bi-weekly or once in a month. In this demo template we have take once in a month order cycle and minimum inventory coverage that should not be breached. Please note whatever triggers we have set for reorder calculation, you can change anytime for your calculations. The order quantity is determined based on two key triggers. Key cap 1: if inventory falls below 8 weeks, an order is automatically suggested to maintain stock levels. Key cap 2: if a product has more than 8 weeks of inventory, for example 9 or 10 weeks, you can choose to skip ordering. However, the system calculates if skipping will cause inventory to drop too low by the next order cycle. If so, it prompts an order to prevent future shortages. For example, if you have 8 weeks of inventory, and your next order cycle is 4 weeks away, with a 3-week lead time, by the time new stock arrives, you'll be left with just 1 week of inventory, which is below the required minimum of 3 weeks. The sheet detects this and suggests the correct order quantity. It also calculates how much inventory will be available after new stock arrives, ensuring you always meet demand. This is dummy data, but the automation can be linked to real-time sales data and inventory reports, making the process fully automated. Additionally, this automated report can be formatted to match your existing purchase order format, so you can share it directly with suppliers without extra manual work. No more guesswork, just smart, automated inventory planning. Get this automated sales-based inventory planner today and take control of your stock. Thank you for watching.